Today, I'm excited to share with you the 6 amazing business ideas for the future that are going to make you a lot of money. These aren't just any ideas, they are gateways to new tech-enabled world, ensuring you're not left behind. Stick around as we get deeper into each, especially my favorite number 3, which I'm personally doing right now and getting amazing results. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1, start a virtual event production company. Nowadays, events are happening online more often than in person. This has created a new way for people to connect and share experiences. After 2020, more people wanted online events that were fun and interactive, which created a great opportunity for small business owners. Imagine starting a business that makes online events feel like real-life parties, complete with music, small group discussions, and even special gifts. This idea is not just about using video conferencing tools like Zoom or Google Meet. It's about making virtual events feel even more exciting and realistic. As more things move online, being a leader in this change can lead to big success. Number 2, facilitate soft skill workshops for companies. Help companies improve their employees' soft skills by leading workshops. Soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving are highly valued but often overlooked. By specializing in a specific area, like confidence building, you can establish a strong reputation, create a podcast, and potentially secure big contracts. This is your chance to make a real difference, and with the right approach, the opportunities are vast. Number 3, start an e-commerce business. E-commerce continues to boom, offering endless opportunities for entrepreneurs. The secret to success here is focusing on small, non-bulky items such as jewelry. Imagine starting as a side hustle and scaling to significant monthly revenues. Just like the countless success stories out there, e-commerce not only has the potential to change your life, but also offer the flexibility to run your business around your schedule. And this is my personal favorite because it's where I've seen significant success. Number 4, sell local or home country gems. Arbitrage, the act of buying products in one market at a lower price and selling them in another at a higher price, can be particularly lucrative when it comes to unique, locally sourced items like fabric, jewelry, or even mold-cloth pillowcases. Platforms like Etsy are great for selling these unique items to a global audience. Number 5, set up a content studio. Not only does it provide professional setting for your own projects, but it can also be rented out to other creators. Whether it's for podcasts, YouTube videos, or photo shoots, a well-equipped studio is in high demand. Consider this business idea as a way to tap into the creative economy, supporting both your growth and that of fellow content creators. Number 6, start a coaching business. If you possess expertise in a particular area, coaching could be your pathway to impact and income. Whether it's life coaching, business mentoring, or teaching a specific skill, the demand for personal development has never been higher. Sharing your knowledge and guiding others on their journey not only fulfills a growing market need, but also establishes you as an authority in your field. If you're passionate about helping others achieve their goals, coaching might just be the perfect business idea for you. Which of these business ideas resonates with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's make this year one of growth and success. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more content like this.